Guys, this is really bad. We accidentally brought Jesus out of his own time, and now we're flying uncontrollably through history. I have absolutely no idea which button fixes this. Hi, I'm in the year 2026, and I've just programmed the time machine for 1st century Judea. My goal is to witness the Last Supper as an observer. This is going to be unforgettable. We've launched! History is literally rushing past outside the windows, and we're heading straight toward the evening of the Last Supper. The system says we're almost there. In just a few moments, I'll be stepping into 1st century Judea. I'm doing one final systems check before I step out. Everything looks ready, and history is waiting on the other side. We made it. I'm about to step into history and witness one of its most significant moments. I'll keep filming as long as it's safe. I can't believe I'm standing here, listening to Jesus teach this enormous crowd. Everyone is completely focused. This is unlike anything I've ever experienced. That was incredible. Excuse me, would you take a selfie together? This is a moment I'll never forget. Smile. This is definitely the most unforgettable photo I've ever taken. I don't think I'll ever experience another day like this. What an unforgettable journey. I've just tucked my cash into this basket. Jesus is teaching thousands of people here. Everyone is waiting to see what comes next. I'm editing the vlog. Want to see what happens? Don't forget to like and subscribe. The bread and fish just keep coming. There is enough for everyone. This is unbelievable. Everyone has eaten and my cash is still here. I'm so happy. I just got it back from the basket. Jesus has just told his disciples to cross to the other side of the Sea of Galilee. They're heading to the boat right now, and I'm following to watch what happens next. I can barely keep my balance. Every wave feels bigger than the last. The waves are crashing everywhere, and Jesus is walking across the water toward the boat. I don't even know how to describe what I'm seeing. Master, after everything that just happened, how did you walk on the water? With faith, all things are possible. I'll remember those words for the rest of my life. Palm branches are everywhere, and people are welcoming Jesus with heartfelt enthusiasm. It's an unforgettable sight. The excitement here is unbelievable. People are celebrating everywhere, but Jesus remains calm and humble as he enters the city. We're entering Jerusalem with the crowd, and this moment feels both joyful and deeply significant. You can sense how much hope people have. I don't think I'll ever forget this day. The crowds are overflowing with joy, and Jesus continues forward with quiet humility, making this moment feel both triumphant and deeply meaningful. I can hardly believe I'm here. The Last Supper is about to begin, and the disciples are making the final preparations. The atmosphere is quiet, respectful, and deeply moving. The disciples are setting everything in place. Seeing these quiet preparations makes this moment feel even more meaningful. Everything is almost ready now. It's amazing to witness these final moments before the meal begins. The bread and the cup are still on the table. Everyone seems deep in thought after hearing Jesus speak. It's an incredibly solemn atmosphere. I'm sitting right here at the table. The mood is so quiet, so intimate. They're sharing bread, and there's this profound sense of peace in the room. I feel like I'm witnessing history in its most personal form. I've come outside to be alone for a moment. My heart is heavy because I know what is about to happen tonight, and I don't know how to prepare myself for it. Jesus is praying by himself. Seeing him like this makes everything feel so real, and I wish there were some way to help. This might be the last peaceful moment before everything changes forever. I don't think I'll ever forget this night. Jesus, I know this sounds impossible, but there's something I need to show you. I came here from another time, and I can't keep it a secret any longer. Please, come with me. This is how I got here. It's a machine that can travel through time. I never imagined I'd be showing it to you. Welcome inside. This machine crossed thousands of years to bring me here. Every button and every screen comes from a future beyond anything I can explain. These displays can show moments from the future. Cities, oceans, people from every nation. It's overwhelming to think how much history is still ahead.
This cannot be happening!
Something's wrong! I didn't touch anything! The entire system just activated by itself. Why are the warning lights coming on? Guys, this is really bad. We accidentally brought Jesus out of his own time, and now we're flying uncontrollably through history. I have absolutely no idea which button fixes this. I'm pressing everything I can find. Maybe one of these sends us back, or maybe it makes things even worse. Wish me luck! The alarms just keep getting louder. I think bringing Jesus into the future seriously confused this machine. And I'm trying to fix it before something else happens. Look outside. It's like every century is passing us at once. I can't believe we're actually seeing history flow by. I think we're almost there. That's the modern world ahead. I just hope I can figure out how to make this right. That was my vlog. If you'd like to see the rest of it in 2026, let me know in the comments.